Okay, so hello everyone. Hi, very good evening. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you all are doing very well. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. Okay, so yeah, hi, Paj. It's Paj Shaji. Hi. Hey, I hope you all doing well. Great. So yeah, welcome everyone to the live stream. I hope everyone is doing very fine, very well, and even I hope that you are pretty excited for making up some cool project today as well, right? Yeah. Hi, Aris. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Hi, Jitendra. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. Very good evening, Om. Very good evening. Great, guys. Welcome to the live stream, everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. Hi, Jose. Welcome to the live stream. Very good evening, Aris. Very good evening. Perfect. So yeah, very glad to have you all here in this live stream, guys. Very happy to have you all here. Okay, so before starting something, I have announcement or news, whatever you say, for you all. So actually currently we are on a process and soon we are going to complete 10k, as you all might have checked it out already. So today I had made a community post and that is regarding that soon we are going to complete up the 10k. So onto that we are going to do up a Q&A session. So whatever the questions you are having in which you want me to answer it out, and whatever the questions you are having related to any of the things, so you can just put those questions onto the community post. It's posted up today evening only. Go and check out under the community section. So you can put up your questions there. Feel free to ask out any questions, and I'll be separately recording a video for a 10k subscribers, a special video. So there I'll be answering up all of your questions, right? So hope so whatever the questions you are having, you're gonna put those out there itself. Perfect. Great, guys. Fine. So we are having a good amount of people here for beginning and for starting out our live stream for today. So guys, let's get started up here with the project that I have planned in for you people today here. But before that, I have something to tell you. Might it happen that might in between either my camera could lag out or some voice issue might come in between, because there are some technical issues here at my end, and just because of that sometimes my camera is lagging because of the rise in the temperature and the things. I just request you to please manage up the things if something like that happens up in between. Okay, I'll make sure from my side nothing like that happens, but if something, please make sure that. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, thanks for the confirmation, Om. I'm happy that it's not lagging actually today. Great, guys, let's get started up here. So today, as you might have checked out the thumbnail already for the live stream, today we'll be making up a game, right? So up till now what we were doing, we were constantly using some GUIs and GUIs and GUIs. It's a long time we are implementing some GUIs. Either we are using the Kiwi or some Tkinter libraries. It's a very long time we are doing these stuffs, right? So today I will do something different, right? So today we will be making up a quiz game with the help of your Python programming language. That's what is out our idea today, right? So let's get started up for that. Okay, it's Murli Krishna. Good to join here. Even I'm very glad to have you here and hope you are doing well. Great, guys. Fine. So I won't waste up too much of time here today in the starting, and as soon as in between you're having your questions or the things, I'll be answering all of those at that same time itself. Okay, so let's get started up here with our project of today, quiz game. See, this is not gonna be any tkinter or any sort of project like this, but yeah, it's again gonna be a very special one, because here I will help you with many of the topics which you have already studied, and how to actually put them onto the projects, how you can make up some good projects with the help of very simple functions also. That I will be discussing with you today into this project, because it's not always necessary that you will use tkinter or kiwi only for making the project. It's not necessary, right? So I'll be letting you know some very easy steps for making a good project as well. Fine, let's get started up here. So first of all, what I would do, I will define up my function. Let's say it's def, okay, and that I can define in such a manner. Let's say guess underscore name, like that, putting up the brackets over here, colon, and getting down. Fine, and simple I would write in pass for now, because now see, if I only declare a function and if I do not write something inside that function, so it will give me out a error, right? It will result me some sort of errors, and that will be difficult for us to deal on with. So that is the reason whenever you have to declare a function, after that you want to do some other stuffs, and after some time you want to write in the things inside your function. So the process is that you simply write on the pass inside your function. That's it. And further you can do and use your further implementations of the project at any time. And whenever you wish out that now you are okay to give in the functions inside this, then you can remove the pass and continue with your function and the whatever the things you're having inside that. So this is how it actually happens up, right? So hope I am clear like why I had mentioned up over here pass. Now getting down, I will be displaying, I'll be writing up a print statement here, and that is a sort of a print statement which will be, it can be like quiz of Python, right? Quiz of Python. This type of heading I just wanted to be printed it up in the very starting. So that is the thing I am just simply putting up over here, and it's a sort of a heading which I wanted to be displayed. So this simply I had printed up this statement. So under the very first line, I'll be getting this quiz of Python as an output for me. Fine. Great. So hope I am clear up till now. Nikhil, what is the today topic, ma'am? Nikhil, so today we are making up a sort of a quiz game with the help of the Python programming language, Nikhil. This is what we are discussing actually. Okay, hope you got the idea. Okay, so yeah, the quiz of Python, sort of a topic has been up, put it up over here. Now what I would do, I would make in the variables, and with that I will take in the input from the user based upon the questions of my quiz. Okay, so let me tell you how is it gonna be. I'm gonna write guess underscore 1, but I can leave in a, let me do one thing. First of all, I can leave in a single line here, and I can put up a equal to sign, right? So it's guess underscore 1. Let's see, it might happen that the answers which I am putting, they can be either in the string or in the integer, in the float, something like that it might happen. So I have to make sure that the input which I am taking in from the user, it is in of which format. Means the question which I am putting, for that what data type of the answer will be, right? So first of all, I'm going to simply write up here input. Fine. Now inside that I am gonna writing up a few questions, a sort of the questions which will help me out. So simply taking the answer from the user, and that will be the sort of the questions of my quiz, right? So guess underscore 1 is equal to input. Here inside this we can write in some of the questions. Okay, it could be like, let's say I given up a very quick answer over here, question over here, that where uh, where was Python developed? Okay, so let's say this is my question, that where was Python developed, right? That's the question. Now see, where was Python developed? It means I'm asking that in which city, or where was it developed. So it means that my answer for this question will be a string, will be a character, right? So what do I have to do in for this? What do I have to take in? I'll be taking the string input from the user, and that's what I am doing up over here, right? So that is the idea. Moving down, now what I would do, I will call in my function guess underscore name. Inside that, I'm going to write in guess underscore 1 is my variable, right? And for that, what's my answer? My answer will be Netherlands. Netherlands. So yeah, that's actually the correct answer, where this particular Python was developed. Python was, yeah, really it was developed in Netherlands itself by Guido van Rossum. So that is Netherlands is the answer for my question. So how will it work? As soon as my project will be run out, it will ask in this question will be displayed onto the screen at the console. So it will be like, where was Python developed, right? So after that, you will be writing up here and typing up your own answer, and after your answer has been written up, it will tally that answer from this answer which I had mentioned. If both the answers are equal, so it will award you the marks, and if the answers are not equal, it will simply give you 0. This is how it will work. And even for this, I am going to give you some 3 chances for writing up the correct answer. Okay, so it's like that. So my question number 1 has been declared. It's the time for my question number 2. So it's guess underscore 2. It's equal to, I can take in an input here once again, right? And this time I'm going to take up the input which is in the integer format. So int input like that. And inside this, I am going to write in the question total keywords in Python like that, right? Total keywords in Python. Getting down, I'm again going to call in my function guess underscore name like that. Putting my guess underscore 2 inside that, comma. What will be my answer? It's 33, right? So that's my answer. So I'm just simply putting that over here, okay? And I'll be like, as for an example, I'll be putting 3 questions. You can add as many as you want in. Is equal to, let's say this time I'm going to put in, again, input. Hey Aditya, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing well. So input into the bracket, I'm writing that keyword used to define function. It's a function like that, right? That could be one of the other questions. And now the answer for that is gonna be your string. That is the reason I am simply writing up here input, not any specific data type. So it's guess underscore 3. Okay, hold on. Guess underscore 3, comma, answer is def. Up till here. Right, I'm defining one more variable which is a score. And I'm going to put that as 0 for now. Right. So please, if you could give me a confirmation, guys, that am I clear up till this particular place? Like, how is it going to be? And what are the things to be added? Am I clear up till this particular place to everyone? Just if you could please give me out a confirmation so that it will help me out over here. Okay. Okay, fine guys. So I hope that I am clear up till um, this particular place to everyone regarding okay, thank you, thanks for the confirmation. Hi Shubham, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing well. Okay Ashwin, thank you, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, fine everyone, fine. Okay guys. And even at last I need to do in one thing. That is I really need to assign up a one simple thing here. And that is I can print in up a last statement. That will be my final score. So it's gonna be like that. Your final score is putting up a plus sign over here, and I'm gonna write str. Into that I'm gonna put up the score. So it will help me to print in up my final score whatsoever I am having. Okay Nikhil, thank you for the confirmation. Okay Pashaji, thank you for the confirmation. Okay, thank you guys for the confirmation, right? So I just printed up a last statement which will help me to get in up my final score. Now the main thing comes in, and that's the defining of my function which I have made in and writing up the things over there. So first of all, what I'm going to do is that I am going to pass in some parameters. See, these are my variables. Inside my guest name, what I had done inside my function, I had two parameters. First is my variable in which my question is there, and the second one is my answer for that. So first I will be taking guess as a variable for me, and secondly I'll be taking up as a answer as a argument or a parameter for me inside my function. Okay, that's what is being done up over here. Now I'll be removing this pass from here. Okay, now this is score is the function which I have variable which I have defined outside my function, right? So what is the need? The need is that I'll be making this variable as global. So global, and here goes my score, because we all know whenever you are having up some variable outside the function and you need to use it inside your function, in that case it's necessary for you to make that as global. It's necessary for you, right? So that is the reason I am making this a score as a global for me. Fine. Getting down, I am going to use up a variable which is still underscore guessing, and I'm going to set that over like here as true. Okay. So for now I am making this variable and putting that as true for here. Fine. And next I'm going to take in one more attempt. I'm going to set that as 0. So as I told you, I will be giving 3 chances, 3 attempts to give on the right answer for this particular question. And if all the 3 chances have been failed in, then after that we will be assigning 0 marks to that particular person. Right, so this is how it is actually working out. Right, so this is the idea, and this is how I had just simply put in up all the variables over here. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine guys, fine. Just get me a second over here. I just need to refresh it up so as to check your recent messages. Just get me a second, okay? Okay, perfect then. Right, now what I'm going to do up further over here is I'll be applying up my conditions. So my conditions will go up in such a manner, like if something is like let me tell you while writing only, I'm going to put up my while loop. While if it is like still guessing, it means that while true and the attempt is less than 3, means that while true means this loop will keep on moving and moving up till my attempt, this attempt less than 3 condition is true. It will keep on moving and moving, right? So while still guessing and attempt less than 3. Now next thing what happens, so let's see, I have written in the answers here, right? Now I had kept this n capital, rest everything is small, and here in the def everything is small. Now let's say the person who will be playing up this game, that person doesn't knows that which letter is capital, which letter is small, right? So if any single letter has been made in capital by the user and not by the real answer, so it will give 0 there rather than the answer is correct. But just because of the capital and small cases, the complete answer will get in wrong there. So that shouldn't be done out. So what I'm gonna do, I will convert everything into small characters. Okay, so I'll be like converting everything into small. So it's like if guess dot lower. I'm just converting this guess, that is my argument, to the lower, means all of these Netherlands, these guess which is being entered by the user, right? If you're entering whatsoever, if that is equal to the real answer, so answer as well I'm making it to lower, generally converting into lower bracket like this. So if the answer and the guess which is made by you and the real answer which I had mentioned, if both of these are equal, so in that case we will be printing something. But before that, I have a question here. Nikhil ma'am, do you have any Telegram groups? No Nikhil, not up till now. I did not have any sort of Telegram groups or something like that. No, not now Nikhil. Okay, currently I'm not having. Fine. So this is like how guess dot lower is equal to answer dot lower. This is how we just do that out. So if this is the condition is true, so come into the loop and print in hooray. I'm gonna print in like hooray. You gave the correct answer, right? So it's like that, hooray, you gave the correct answer. Fine, so I'm just gonna print up some statement like that, and I'm gonna add 1 to the score. So score is equal to score plus 1. So if this particular thing runs out, so my score which was 0 here, that will be exceeded to 1. And after that I'm going to do still guessing is equal to false. So it means that the user has given the correct answer. So it will stop up this loop here itself and move to the next question for me. Fine, this is how it will be working out. But if this is not the correct case, then I'll be adding up the else condition. Else. Now I'll be writing up the chances. Now if the attempt is less than 2, see, one attempt you already had given in the starting, right? That's being finished up. Now if the attempt you are left on with the attempt is less than 2, in that case you will be writing, it will be a sort of a message that guess is equal to, again an input will be given to you for giving your second answer, and with that same you will be informed here, get me a second, sorry, wrong answer, and it will be a sort of a message like try again. Okay, this type of message you will be getting up over here, and I'll be coming out of my if condition and adding attempt is equal to attempt plus 1. So now here your attempt, previously you were having 3 attempts, you lost 1 attempt, now you are left with 2 attempts, right? Now here again if you lost in 1 more attempt, so there it means that all of the attempts of your have been finished, means that at the last you're having your very last attempt which has even been gone. So it means now one of my last conditions will be in a manner that if your attempt is equal to this number, so in that case you have to display up your correct answer, whatsoever the correct answer it is, that will be displayed up to you, because all of your chances have been finished. that part we are still left out to code, but before that I just want a confirmation from everyone, guys, that am I clear up till whatsoever we have discussed up here so far? Just very quickly give me a confirmation so that I can proceed in. Okay, fine. Let's proceed in, and now I'm gonna come outside my while condition, because my while condition was up till that point only, up till when I was having some chances to give the correct answer. Till that time only my while condition was valid. Now when I do not have any attempt to give the correct answer, so now I'll be coming out of my while loop and will be writing up the correct answer for displaying that out. So it means that my condition goes that if attempt is equal to 3, it means that if all the 3 attempts of you have been finished, so what will be printed? First of all, it will be printed that all the attempts have been finished, and then I can simply print up a statement over here. Okay, thank you Ashwin for the confirmation, thanks for that. And after that I'll be printing up a statement that the correct answer is like that. Okay, one second, is comma, not comma over here, comma, and I'll be writing up the variable which is answer, which is actually storing up all the answers of me, right? And this is how we can make up a quiz game, a very simple quiz game in Python programming. As I was saying that always it's not necessary that you will use some or the either library for developing some or the either thing. It's not at all necessary. It's just that you should be very much focusing upon that how much more you can, how much more functions, how much more modules, and how much more things you can implement here over your projects, right? How much different things. See, in this project we have used the user defined functions with parameters, we have used the global keywords, we have used the while statements, we have used up the lower function, right? We have even used up the if else conditions, then we have used in the user input, we have used in the user input, right? And many things we have used into this complete project. So always focus upon that how much more you can put in up over here for using up the things, using the concepts of the Python programming. Just do not focus over your modules and the things over here, okay? So I am gonna run out this particular one for here, and let's check on. Okay, let me just choose on my interpreter for here. Okay, see, so it's displaying quiz of Python. Where was Python developed? So let's say I just wrote in the answer as neither Netherlands. Sorry, wrong answer. Okay, so what was the correct which I had mentioned in? Let me check in. I guess I wrote in neither, Nether. Did I wrote in some wrong spelling? Something like that. Okay, let me check in over here. Netherlands. Okay, so I guess the loop is stuck somewhere. Let me just check it out here very quickly. Hold on, just get me a second, okay? Okay, so up till the still hooray, I guess if, okay, here it goes the else part for my program. So print, hooray, you give the correct answer, it's okay. Guess dot lower, 1 second, it's guess, fine. Guess 1, guess 2, guess 3, so it's still guessing. It is we have certain or true, okay, okay, fine. Okay, so if attempt is less than 2, and where I have defined in the attempt, currently the attempt is 0. Fine, if attempt is less than 2, so guess is equal to input, sorry, wrong answer. Try again. Attempt is equal to attempt plus 1, okay. Guess 1, guess name. Okay, let me check on that. Guess name is equal to guess 1 over here. That's pretty fine. I guess I do not need to do one thing. Just let me run it over here once again, because I guess I had made in up like a sort of thing here is please. Yeah, just get me a second over here, because I did give up the space in the starting. Let me put an up over here, neither lands like that. So yeah, see, understood what mistake I did made in. Let me show you once again what is mistake I had made in. See, I hadn't given up any space here in the starting, right? What I was doing, I was running this out like this only, but when I was writing up my answer, I gave up a one space, and then I wrote in my correct answer. So it's like NET, neither lands, like this. So that was the reason, like this one space I was getting in the wrong answer. So let me do in one thing over here. I would terminate it. Now if I give in one space over here, now I run this project over here, so it will not give me any error. Let me show you how. So let's say I put in up neither lands. So see, right? So here you gave the correct answer. Total keywords in Python. Let's say I wrote 32. Okay, okay, yes. Now that is one of the more things which you have to focus in over here. The int object has no attribute lower. So what you could do is that you could convert this question as well to a question with the string. So I can write in that is tuple data type in Python, right? Because I was using that lower function, right? So we know that integers cannot be converted into the lower. So while developing up the projects, you have to take care of these things as well. So I'm gonna run it over now once again here. Fine. So where is Python developed? Let's say my answer is NET, neither lands, right? Is tuple a data type in Python? If I let's write in yes. Keyword used to define function. Now I'm gonna give the wrong answer. Sorry, wrong answer. Sorry, wrong answer. And this is gonna be my last chance. Let's say I wrote in D. So see what it told me. It told me that all the attempts have been finished. The correct answer is def, and your final score is 2. Because I gave in 2 correct answers, 1 wrong answer. And just because of that, here we are getting that all the attempts have been now finished, because the 3 attempts are already given to you, right? Now the correct answer is def, and the final score is now 2, right? So this is how you can simply develop up a quiz game in Python programming language, right? So now as soon as more questions you will implement over here, as soon as more questions you will try to write in up over here, you will get in the idea, you will get in the knowledge that okay, these are the more things which I have to do, or this I do not have to do, or I can just change up this thing for much more betterment and the things, right? So that is about the idea for today's project, right? So I hope that you are clear whatsoever we had made in today into this particular project. If I can just get up a confirmation from you guys that whatsoever we had done in today, am I clear with all of the things to you regarding this particular project, how it works out, what things do we have in up here, how you can make it up, and how you can make it up much more efficient over here. So this was about the project which we were supposed to do today, and this was about that respective one. Nikhil ma'am, please copy the code and paste it in the comment box. Okay, Nikhil, I would do it. I can't do that right now because the reason is I haven't logged in from my email in the laptop. That the same email which I'm using, I haven't logged in from that. So the chat, I'm reading it onto the phone itself, and onto the phone I can't copy. Okay, Nikhil, just get me some time. I would copy that over. Okay, I would paste it onto the comment box. Okay, so guys, hope you have enjoyed making up this project today with me. It was quite a simple, but yeah, quite a logical one, where you were just simply where we had simply used into making this project, right? Ashwin, can global score be replaced by initializing the scores equals to in line 1 before diff? No, it cannot be done in Ashwin. See, if you declare it after or before, it doesn't matter. But what matters if what matters is, are you declaring that inside the function or outside the function? If you are using a variable which you have declared outside and using that inside the function, so either you declare on the top or at the last, it will not work. So for that you have to make it global itself. Okay. Pashaji, most welcome for that. Great guys, so hope you have enjoyed making up this project with me today. That was quite a simple one, but yeah, quite a one into which you might have reminded all of the concepts of Python to you, and sort of a logical one as well. So I really enjoyed making up this project here with you all here. Great guys, great. So fine, thank you so much everyone for attending this live stream, guys. Thank you for being here, everyone. It was a pleasure. It was very nice to have you people here in the live stream. Looking forward to again meet you all in the next live stream, same time, Saturday 10 p.m. in the night. Okay, Ashwin. Thank you guys, thank you. Bye bye, take care, have a nice weekend ahead. Same to you, Nikhil. Do you have one project in GitHub? No, Pashaji, I do not have any sort of a things in the GitHub currently. But yeah, if anything like that I'm gonna make in, I would let you know. Okay, I will let you know that. Fine guys, thank you for attending live stream. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the night. Yeah, bye, take care, bye Tarun, bye everyone, take care. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye everyone and take care.